Hello, in this video, I'm going to explain you the custom block that we use for our template. The custom block we are going to explore today is the image grid. So you can see we have a section called image grid, and if I go into this section, you can see we have a grid of images and a video. And on this item, you can see we have a block called image grid and another block that is video. For the image item, you can see we have some more item that is image grid item. And this grid item is holding the individual images. You can see this is the first image. And then we have the second image and we have third image and we have total six images here. And this is the image grid. So all these child image items are going to manipulate the main image grid block. So these items are not showing individually, but they will only show inside this grid. Okay. So to edit the grid settings, you need to go to the image grid and you can see the column options. So currently this is six column for the desktop and this is the grid setting. On the grid setting, we have few items. We can change this to something else like this one. So you can see we have the grid is now two columns and we can change the spacing for the desktop and we have options for mobile too. And if I change the spacing, you can see the spacing is changed and then the height. So you might want to change the height a little bit. Okay, now this is perfect. And we can also enable pop-up. So when you enable the pop-up, when you click on the images will be shown. And then we have the other default options for the template. Okay, so also, we have some other settings that is related to a sections. For example, the position, we can change the position of this block. And then we have background option that is available for all Kajabi block image. So this is how you can edit the image grid.